Everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Everand weekly settings. Here we click on apps, default apps, app settings. In this page we search about Everand app and we click here. In this page of app info we click on first stop and we click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then here we click on clear cache. In the end you will turn on your airplane mode and you will turn off your airplane mode again to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time, and thank you for your watching and your attention.